Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we have brought to you the biography of our favorite TV actor Graham Waddell, and we will try our best to give each and every possible details about him. So stick with us till the end to know everything about Graham Waddell. Let's get started. Graham Waddell is a Canadian actor who is mostly known for his role as Ty Borden in the hit Canadian TV series Heartland. The 34-year-old actor was born in Mission, British Columbia, Canada on September 6, 1986 and was raised along with his 5 siblings in New Westminster, near Vancouver. In 2003, Graham was on the inaugural New Westminster Hayak football team when a concussion impacted his future. As he was already interested in acting and the arts, he enrolled in the motion picture and production program at Capilano University in Vancouver, where he participated in the creation of numerous films, and he graduated in 2007. Graham Waddell started his acting career by accident when he was just 6 years old. Graham and his mother happened to sit in a room without knowing that it was for children who were waiting for an audition. Graham accidentally auditioned and he was selected for a toy commercial. Later, he went on to appear in a variety of TV shows, including The New Addams Family, Life as We Know It, and Supernatural. In 2007, Graham Waddell was in the movie In the Land of Women with Meg Ryan and Adam Brody. In the same year, he was selected in the CBC's hit television drama series Heartland to play the lead role of Ty Borden. Graham has appeared in almost all the episodes of Heartland till season 13. He also appeared in a Heartland Christmas movie which was released in 2010. In 2009 and in 2010, Graham was nominated for a Leo Award for his performance in Heartland episodes Summer's End and The Starting Gate. Outside of his acting career, Graham Waddell is passionate about photography, filmmaking, charity works, and many others. Graham Waddell is also a motivator. He looks to improve his life experiences while motivating others towards healthy and fulfilling lifestyles. When he is indoors, he enjoys reading, and outdoors, he rides both bicycles and motorcycles. He runs snowboards with friends and exercises. Graham Waddell can often be found at a Vancouver Canucks game. He also does charitable work and freely gives his time to fundraisers and charitable endeavors. When he went home for a reunion of the Hayak football team, he contributed his old team so that they could take a trip to play in the United States. He has also contributed to many other charitable works and still wanting to do more. Graham co-founded Cruise with a Cause with his friend Don McLeod. They kicked it off with a gala evening event on August 31, 2013 to raise funds. On September 1, they took their bikes with their friends to ride around British Columbia for 6 days, meeting with sponsors and the public to raise awareness of prostate cancer and raise funds for the BC Prostate Foundation. Graham Waddell is a multi-talented person as he is a writer, a photographer, and a filmmaker. Having a very busy schedule, Graham Waddell found time to produce movies as well. In 2012, he produced a short film, The Vessel, with friends and Capilano alumni as part of the Crazy Eights project. He also wrote a book that is filled with his personal writings and photographs called Find Your Truth. In the summer of 2013, Graham co-founded Lone Maverick, a movie production and entertainment company. Lone Maverick is in the process of releasing its first movie, Cold Lights. Graham plays Sam Ross, a character that is abducted by aliens. Talking about his personal life, Graham Waddell was happily married to a woman named Alison Waddell. The pair married in 2015. Alison managed to maintain a low profile. There are more pictures on Graham Waddell's Instagram page of his fictional wife than there are of his real-life wife. Sadly, the couple's relationship didn't last for long. They lived together for only 3 years. Graham Waddell and his ex-wife Alison Waddell divorced in 2018. It is said that due to some personal reasons, the couple decided to end their relationship. Graham discussed the breakup in a Facebook Live broadcast in early 2020. He is now considered to be single. We hope that he finds his happiness once again sooner than later. After leaving Heartland, Graham Waddell now runs a podcast named Time Has Come. There he talks about spirituality and different subject matters with his guests. Some of Graham Waddell's guests on the show include Peter Harvey, Kerry James, Jaren Macy, Jenna Berman, Cindy Busby, Lynetta Linda, Ben Perrin, Amber Marshall, David Wolf, Tim Chashin, Dr. Jill Bode Taylor, and others. We hope that he will be welcoming more guests in his future podcast and talk about some of the interesting topics out there. Now let's talk about Graham Waddell's net worth. According to various sources, Graham Waddell's net worth is estimated to be around $3 million. However, to be exact, his net worth is $2.97 million. This sum of money makes a 34-year-old actor pretty much wealthy. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.